Good morning students, how are you? This is your science teacher Afreen. Very good morning to all of you. Okay, today is Tuesday 21st April 2020. Take out your learner's book, page number 50 and 51. The unit is 5.2 and our topic is staying safety. Unit 5.2, topic is staying safety. So open the page number 50 and 51. First we will revise yesterday's work. Yesterday we studied about the difficult words. So let's start. Number one is we should be careful when using electricity. When we are using any electric equipment, we should be very careful. Number two, it can be dangerous for us. It can be dangerous for us, so we should be very careful. Number three, it can give an electric shock. We can get a current from electric material, electric equipment, so we should be very careful. And the last one is an electric shock can hurt or kill us. If we are not carrying, this electric shock can hurt us and sometimes it can kill us also. Now today first we will start with the glossary. What is electric shock? Electric shock, we are sometimes telling current is there in any electric equipment. There is a current, we should be very careful. So what is electric shock? When electricity goes into our body. When electricity goes into our body, a big shock can hurt or kill us. Okay, electric shock means suppose there is a socket, okay, and we are putting our fingers inside the socket, so the whatever the electricity in the inside the socket, it will just transfer to our body from the socket to our body. Okay, so that is called electric shock, and it is very dangerous for us. You can see on your screen, first picture, there is a hand, and it is showing that a damaged wire touching by the hand. Okay, so what is the electricity in the wire? It is going towards the hand. Okay, it can causes electric shock. Next picture, you can see there is a person. He is using a wire socket, and there is electric shock. And third picture, you can see it is clear that a person is suffering from electric shock. So what is electric shock? When electricity goes into our body, a big shock can hurt or kill us. Okay class, there are some safety rules from electricity. If we are following that rules, we can be safe. So the question is, what are the some electrical safety rules? What are the some electrical safety rules? So number one is never use a damaged wire. If the wire is cut from any side in the between the corner, we should not touch directly with the finger, with the hand, that damaged wire, because the current in the wire can transfer to our body and it is not good for us. You can see on your screen there is a black wire, and that is touched by the finger, so it can causes the electric shock. Next picture, you can see there is a baby boy, and he is suffering from the current. So what is written in the red line? Do not touch the damaged wire, repair the damaged wires. Okay. Number two, the safety rule is never put anything into a wall socket. If there is any socket, we should not put our finger on any screwdriver, any spoon, fork, or any nail in the socket, because it can also cause of electric shock. Okay. So class, today we study about the two safety rules. Number one, never touch the damaged wire, and next one, never put anything inside the socket. These two rules we are studying today. Tomorrow I will explain you about the more rules. So today's your homework is learn all the works. Okay, learn all the work. It is your homework. Goodbye.